What's up, guys? If you want more than just basic head protection, today's smart motorcycle helmets can add Bluetooth communication, navigation, music, intercom features, and even advanced HUD technology to your ride. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best smart helmets in 2026, from affordable Bluetooth modular helmets to premium models with mesh intercom, voice control, rear-view cameras, and head-up displays. We compared safety certification, Bluetooth performance, communication features, audio quality, comfort, visibility, battery life, and overall value to help you find the right smart helmet for your riding needs. All product links are included in the description below, so check them out for the latest prices and availability. Now, let's jump straight into the countdown. Number 5. FRBRK Bluetooth Modular Motorcycle Helmet. Starting our list at number 5 is the FRBRK Bluetooth Modular Motorcycle Helmet, a flip-up full-face helmet designed for motorcycles, scooters, cruisers, ATVs, and other power sports vehicles. The helmet is listed as meeting DOT FMVSS 218 safety standards, making it suitable for road use in the United States according to the product information. A major feature is the integrated Bluetooth headset. It supports stereo audio, music playback, automatic call answering, and active noise reduction during calls. The system is designed to work with Bluetooth-enabled devices and can also display battery status on a connected phone. For visibility, the helmet uses a dual visor design. The large outer visor provides a wide field of view, while the internal dark sun visor can be raised or lowered depending on lighting conditions. The outer shell is made from ABS material, while the interior uses high-density EPS foam to provide cushioning and impact absorption. A quick-release closure also helps make the helmet easier to put on and remove. Pros: DOT FMVSS 218 listed certification. Built-in Bluetooth headset. Dual visor design. ABS shell with EPS interior. Flip-up modular construction. Cons: customer rating is relatively modest. Bluetooth specifications are not very detailed. No battery runtime is listed. Overall, the FRBRK Bluetooth modular helmet combines integrated communication, dual visors, modular convenience, and listed DOT certification, making it our number 5 pick for the best Bluetooth motorcycle helmets of 2026. Number 4. MOTOEYE 6 Plus Motorcycle Helmet HUD. Coming in at number 4 is the MOTOEYE 6 Plus, a smart helmet accessory designed to upgrade an existing motorcycle helmet with a head-up display, Bluetooth communication, navigation, and a rear-view camera. Its standout feature is the AR head-up display, which can show navigation, calls, music, speed, and other information directly in your field of view. Automatic brightness adjustment helps keep the display visible in changing lighting conditions. The E6 Plus supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing compatible navigation and music apps to appear through the HUD without requiring you to constantly look down at your phone. For communication, it uses a Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.2 chip and can connect to 2 phones at once. It also supports Bluetooth intercom, mesh intercom, public network communication for up to 15 users, and compatibility with selected third-party helmet headsets such as Cardo and Sena. A built-in rear-view camera helps you monitor traffic behind you, while AI-based noise reduction is designed to reduce wind and engine noise during calls. Battery life is listed at up to 6 hours, with around a 1-hour charging time. Pros: AR head-up display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. Built-in rear-view camera. Multiple intercom modes. Bluetooth 5.2 with dual phone connection. Cons: this is an accessory, not a complete helmet. Requires installation on an existing helmet. Only 6 hours of listed battery life. Overall, the MOTOEYE 6 Plus combines navigation, communication, rear-view monitoring, and smart display features in one helmet-mounted system, making it our number 4 pick for the best Bluetooth motorcycle helmet systems of 2026. Number 3. Sena Impulse Modular Motorcycle Smart Helmet. Taking the number 3 spot is the Sena Impulse Modular Motorcycle Smart Helmet, a premium smart helmet that combines integrated communication, high-quality audio, and a DOT-rated modular design. One of its biggest highlights is the built-in mesh intercom and Bluetooth intercom system, allowing rider-to-rider communication without requiring a separate external communication unit. Audio performance is handled by Harman Kardon-tuned speakers and microphone, designed to deliver clearer in-helmet sound for music, calls, navigation, and intercom conversations. The helmet also supports voice-activated digital assistants, including Hey Google and Hey Siri, giving you hands-free access to compatible smartphone functions while riding. For comfort and convenience, the Impulse includes a retractable sun visor for ventilation points and an intermediate oval fit. It also features a rear-facing integrated taillight to help improve rider visibility. The composite fiberglass shell is listed as DOT-rated and compliant with FMVSS 218 safety requirements. Pros: built-in mesh and Bluetooth intercom, Harman Kardon speakers and microphone, DOT FMVSS 218 compliant, voice assistant support, retractable sun visor and integrated taillight. Cons: heavier than many standard helmets. Premium smart features add complexity. Customer rating is relatively modest. Overall, the Sena Impulse combines premium audio, integrated rider communication, useful smart features, and a certified modular shell, making it our number 3 pick for the best Bluetooth motorcycle helmets of 2026. Number 2. Sena OUTRUSH 2 Modular Smart Motorcycle Helmet. Coming in at number 2 is the Sena OUTRUSH 2, a modular smart motorcycle helmet with built-in Bluetooth connectivity, mesh intercom 3.0, and integrated audio features. Its biggest advantage is communication. Mesh intercom 3.0 lets riders stay connected within a compatible group, while wave intercom support is designed to communicate with different motorcycle headset brands through cellular network coverage. For music, navigation, and calls, the OUTRUSH 2 uses Sena's second-generation high-definition speakers, giving you integrated audio without needing a separate helmet communication system. The helmet also includes intelligent power management. If the accelerometers detect that the helmet has been sitting still for an extended period, the system can automatically power down to help preserve battery life. Its modular design allows the chin bar to be used in the raised or lowered position, and the helmet is listed with P/J dual homologation. It also complies with DOT FMVSS 218 requirements according to the supplied product information. Pros: mesh intercom 3.0 built-in, wave intercom cross-brand communication support, second-generation HD speakers, intelligent automatic power management, DOT FMVSS 218 compliant. Cons: around 4 pounds in weight. Advanced communication features may require compatible devices or cellular coverage. Only one finish and size combination is shown in this listing. Overall, the Sena OUTRUSH 2 combines integrated communication, strong audio features, modular versatility, and smart power management, making it our number 2 pick for the best Bluetooth motorcycle helmets of 2026. Number 1. JZZLSJT Bluetooth Modular Motorcycle Helmet. Taking the number 1 spot is the JZZLSJT Bluetooth Modular Motorcycle Helmet, a full-face flip-up helmet that combines integrated Bluetooth communication, dual visors, and a DOT-rated safety design. The helmet is listed as meeting DOT FMVSS 218 requirements, while its modular flip-up construction lets you raise the front section when you need extra airflow without removing the entire helmet. For communication and entertainment, it includes a built-in Bluetooth headset with stereo audio, music playback, automatic call answering, and noise reduction during calls. It is also designed to work with Bluetooth-enabled devices and can display its battery level on a connected phone. The dual visor system includes a large outer visor for a wide field of view and an internal dark sun visor that can be raised or lowered depending on lighting conditions. Construction combines a durable ABS outer shell with high-density EPS foam inside for impact cushioning. The helmet also features an aerodynamic shape to help reduce wind resistance, along with a quick-release style closure and removable, washable liner and cheek pads for easier maintenance. Pros: DOT FMVSS 218 listed compliance. Integrated Bluetooth headset. Dual visor design. ABS shell with EPS impact layer. Removable and washable interior padding. Cons: Bluetooth battery runtime is not listed. No advanced mesh intercom features. Communication specifications are fairly basic. Overall, the JZZLSJT Bluetooth modular helmet combines integrated communication, convenient flip-up functionality, dual visors, and practical comfort features, making it our #1 pick for the best Bluetooth motorcycle helmets of 2026.